Excuse me. I'm over here. Hello. Hello. I'm over here. Ah, there you are. Thank you so much for coming back to the channel. You saw last time there, it's the new series, mini series, I'm gonna say, of some products that I am using. The same company, BougeRV. Link will be in the description. We've got, it's a small little box, yeah, but let's unbox it while we're out here with this nice scenery behind me. And, oh, so this is actually the hidden compartment kit. Full see-through door panel on here that I can't seem to open. There we go. You know, it's kind of useless me just sitting out here talking to you, but how about we get inside the car and have a look at it installed. Let's go. All right. So it's got the two-way tape already put on here. I'm going to try installing it without the two-way tape. This is that hidden compartment that's going to go in, ta-da, the box here. All right, so I'm just going to try, like I'm saying, snugly fit it. Right away, it's pretty simple. You can see thicker part, shorter part, and same inside here. So I have it upside down. Flip it in. I'm just literally pushing it in. Look at it. Yeah. Let me do some testing here. I know some people are going to be upset. Why are you banging your car so hard? Well, because I'm doing this test for you guys. So it hasn't even popped out at all. So the bottom part does not lift up. It's just the top in here. So again, I mean, you can put some cards in here. I don't know why you put cards in there. I know what we would put in there. Money. So you keep your money in there hidden away. So again, if someone does break into your vehicle, I mean, well, I guess if you do open this up, you would see it. I wish it was black. So this is a good product, but I wish it was black. Maybe I'm going to spray paint it. That's my fault. They do have a black one, but they sent me the see-through. So otherwise, that's pretty good. I really like that. Another plus. Also, again, I mean, you can put your cards in there. Again, it is showing, but that's my fault. I should have requested the black one. So recommendation, yes. As far as the color, make sure you get the black, not see-through. So there you have it. Backseatballer, quick review, products that I use. And once again, product and link will be below, and another 15% code off for everybody to use. Thank you very much for watching. More to come. Backseatballer saying bye-bye.